Hey, welcome back to Chef Puck's Kitchen. All right, today what we're going to be doing, a replica of a Jersey Mike's roast beef sandwich. All right, I have another video out there if you want to learn how to make the perfect roast beef. All right, for sandwiches, do so. Watch it, please. All right, so without further ado, let's get to making this authentic Jersey Mike's with provolone, lettuce and onion, and red wine vinegar sandwich. All right, so let me give you a closer view of what's going on here. All right. So, what we got here, we got the sandwich. I don't have the big rolls because I usually get the giants from Jersey Mike's. All right, this is a replica, and it tastes even, to me, tastes even better. All right, so they're already pre-cut, but I am going to cut it again for 2 halves. Now the first thing to assembly, I got to get me some mayonnaise up in there on both sides. All right, got that out of the way. Now I need cheese. My provolone cheese. Okay, get my provolone cheese here. Now you can put as much cheese as you want or as little as cheese as you want. If you don't want cheese, don't eat cheese. But Jersey Mike's, they use provolone. So I'm going to use your provolone because I love these. I love their roast beef with provolone. It's just delicious. All right. So I put 4 slices and 1 for me. So I love provolone cheese. Now, what we have here, perfectly cooked, seasoned roast beef. And it's only 3 seasonings: salt, pepper, garlic powder, and that is it. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pile this on. All right. Do want to save enough for another sandwich. It looks like it's only enough for one sandwich, one more sandwich. Now, some lettuce. And lettuce up in here. Got me some onions. Oh, look at this sandwich. Now, for the last thing. And that is the red wine vinegar. There we go. Now, take the sandwich. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. There we go. Okay. And there we go. Let me get all my trimmings here because I don't want to lose nothing here. This is all good eats. Get it all where it's supposed to belong. All right, let me get cleaned up. And I'll be right back, so y'all guys don't go nowhere because we're going to get our eat on. All right, sandwich is made. I got me a nice soda. I got my sandwich made. Now, like I said, you can see the video on my channel of how to make the perfect roast beef for sandwiches. All right, and this is a replica of a Jersey Mike's sandwich. The way when I purchased them from Jersey Mike's, this is how I purchased them. All right, so without further ado, let's get a bite into here. Ladies and gentlemen. It's damn good. The meat is seasoned so right, it can't be wrong. That is so freaking delicious. But anyway, if you do like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell at cookingwithchefpup.com. And I appreciate you guys and for watching the videos and giving me thumbs up to make this channel grow. But like I said, if you want to learn how to make this here, just go to the video, watch how to make roast beef for sandwiches, and you will never be able to get your family off of you because they're going to say, can you make it again? All right, so without any further ado, y'all guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Bye.